Well, howdy there. Marnie's my Toyota. Had this for about 2 years. No, just over 2 years now. And I've never done the diff fluid. And it's been underwater several times. It was underwater one time for about an hour. Maybe not that long, but it was under there pretty damn long. So I figure probably ought to do with the diff fluid. See how that goes. The tripod's like right up against the damn body. It's rusty old Toyota. It's not rusty really, just body. Or just, hey, what's that? That might be rusty. What's that? Oh no. I need to do something with that. Okay, anyhow, I'm gonna do the fluid impact socket. Had to modify that to fit in the bottom of the drain plug. Might have to modify it some more to get it in there. And I'm going to see if I can adjust this little camera so you can see what I see. I don't know if I can hear. I'm going to try to... If you know this truck, then you know what I'm dealing with right now. It's got like a guard around the bolt, so like I guess if we rubber against rocks you wouldn't hit the bolt itself, which I understand the concept, but I've hit that little protector plate enough where it's bent in and all boogered up. So this might do it. I'm gonna give it a whirl here and gonna see what happens. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. I love gear oil. I love gear oil. Everybody loves gear oil. Everybody loves gear oil. Move it so I can get in there. Okay. Put some love on it. Rub it on there. Oh, come on, do it. Oh, yeah. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, maybe I just stripped it. No, it's going. Ready? I want to see what color this is. I already did this one. That came out pretty easy. All right. Not bad. Not bad. I thought it would be white. You know, now that there's not much in there though. It needed some. Now that I'm doing this, you know what I probably should have done? I probably should have got some gear oil to put back in it. Well. Oof. Camera magic. Yeah, I don't know. You know what's kind of cool? They put these in these squeeze bags nowadays. We're going synthetic. 75-140. I don't know. Just thought this would do the job. Probably better than what I had in there, which wasn't much. And I don't know, a little bit white, I guess. So the squeeze thing is what sold me here. Okay, come on. You had 50 years of freaking hard bottles where you couldn't get in it. Why wasn't this thought of forever ago? Let's put this bad baby. Oh, let's look at the magnet. I just rubbed it though. Focus, focus. No, focus. I don't know. Straight up like this. Okay. I'm gonna say it's pretty damn good. This truck got 200. Let's just wipe that off right there for now. 260,000 miles. Couldn't tell you if this has ever been done before. I mean the you know, diff fluid, but 260,000 miles on it, and things are looking pretty good, Toyota. I'm digging it. Let's get you back home. What, buddy? My son's in the truck watching Lorville Island. Put you home, and you're almost home. Let's drive you on home. Put the old onions to you. Oh, that was perfect. That was the perfect amount of. All right, let's see what we got here. How do we? Okay, we gotta cut that off. Okay, why do we have two safeties on everything these days, people? I gotta, you know, there was a safety lid, so I gotta cut that, obviously. And then there's a freaking, you know, this thing on here. Why? Why are we doing this? I don't know. Let's get that off there, though. Sorry you can't see it. I'm out of camera. Like a, yeah. I don't want gear oil on me for days. Once you get it on you, you can't get it off you. It soaks into your skin. It's in your blood. Gear oil. Gear oil. I don't know why. I don't know why. Gear oil is like that. If you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about here. You can change your oil, you know. Wipe your hands off, blah, blah, blah. You know, it's there, you know. Sometimes it's got to wear off a little bit. But gear oil. I'm going to be smelling this for 3 days in my skin. I wish I was exaggerating. But I'm not. Look at that. I'm squeezing it. I'm squeezing it in here. How freaking handy is that? Good job, Valvoline. Somebody's going to comment on my post here and say, you used the wrong fluid, stupid. And I ain't going to be mad. I'll just be like, okay. And then I'll change it again, I guess. I noticed that people put breather extensions on their differentials. And if you know what's going on here with mine, please let me know. Mine just has like a plug in it. I don't know if that little plug is a breather itself or what the deal is with it. But like, I don't see how water can get in my rear end besides like the, you know, the bearings on the end. I don't think mine has a breather on it. Uh-oh. Let me squeeze this out. I might have to go. She's kind of my baby. That baby. Freaking look at this. This is awesome. Why? This should have been done. Freaking. They should have never went to hard bottles. I squeezed the whole bottle in there. That was what? 30 seconds? Oh my God! Easy done for me. All right, we are at numero dos. I don't know how much it takes, but I know how much I got. It's 2. Baby's out of the car, beating on crap. Yeah. Oh, this is so nice. Just squeezes right in there. Just squeeze. Oh no, what do you do? This is so beautiful. Certainly, I'm putting more in there than what it had, because there really wasn't much in there. I'm just gonna put it in there till it, well, I mean, I have 2. So I'm just going to put these 2 in there, and I figure it'll just come out the... Hi. Oh, hold on, buddy. I'm busy. I forget what I was saying. Oh, I just... They say just, you know, put it in there till it comes out the drain plug. And I don't know if 2 will do it or not, but that's what I got. And... certainly, it was better than what it was. I can always add more. This is it. This is easy. I bet you only... I never, my rear end never leaked. But, what? Oh, thank you. Here, you work on something. Take my tires off. Oh, hey, don't touch this. This is nasty. Nasty. Get rid of that. No, it's okay. Okay, well, they took 2, and it's not coming out the drain plug yet. I mean, the fill plug. So I am going to, maybe later today, put another one in there. Uh-huh. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. All right, well, I do feel better about this, okay? I feel better about what I've just done here. Put an ease of mind. I was worried after I submerged it. I'm still going to make a video about that. You guys don't know, kind of know, halfway know, some don't know about what I did a few weeks ago. Gotta make a video about that. Anyways, this is all for this video. I just wanted you to see what I was seeing while I uncovered it, to see, you know, maybe help somebody out if they went underwater with their 3rd gen 4runner. I don't know, like the breather thing. Let me... There it is. That's the thing, that's the breather. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that or not. If you do know, please let me know. Alright, until next time, get found outdoors.